Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 59. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this top row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. We look at this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 6, 7. That means that our 3 for that row has to be here. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 here. Sorry. 4, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here. So 6, 9, 6, 9. 9 here. 4, 6, and 9 here. So that makes this our 8. And our 4 can't be here, so it must be here. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 has to be here. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. I don't see any help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes. 6 here, so 1, 5. 2 again, so 1, 5, 6. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, and a 1, and a 6 here. That means this is our 2, and the 1 and 5 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 1, 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. No help here. 7, 8, 9. 9 here, so 7, 8, and no help here. 7, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 7, 6, 7. And that 7 makes this our 8. We can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 2, and that 9 makes this our 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 7 here. That makes this our 9, 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. And that 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this box now, we're just missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here. Oh, no, that can't be right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.